Health insurance in Germany is pretty expensive. People insured in the public system pay at least 15% of their gross salary for their health insurance, for a maximum of almost 1,000 euros every single month. And in 2023, even though we don't have the exact numbers just yet, more than 20 million people are facing exploding public health insurance costs. How can you pay less for German health insurance in public and in private? I'll show you how in this episode of the PerFinEx Wiki. As most people in Germany are insured in the public healthcare sector, let's also start with public health insurance here. What can you public guys do to pay less for health insurance? As you can probably imagine, as the public health insurance is very tightly connected to the government, it is regulated to the absolute maximum with very little room to wiggle. That's why you can do only one thing. Switching from the regular public health insurance plan that you get by default to a plan with deductible. Selbstbehalt in German. Not all public health insurances offer this, so reach out to whichever insurance you're insured with and ask them. As of shooting this video, the Big Blue health insurance that many of you are insured with offers a plan with a 400 euro deductible. So worst case scenario, you have to pay 400 euros out of your own pocket first, every single year, before the Big Blue health insurance starts paying for your medical bills. Because of your 400 euro deductible, you will probably cause less costs for your health insurance company, and if you don't incur any costs at all, you will get a 300 euro cashback with the Big Blue health insurance. Based on these numbers, you can see that this is only worth it for healthy people. With a 400 euro deductible, you face the risk of having to pay 400 euro out of your own pocket, while having the chance of getting 300 euro. So if you know your annual medical bills will be more than 300 euro, don't do it. If you have medical bills of 100 euro only, pay that bill yourself and get the 300 euro cashback from your health insurance. Do a little comparison which public health insurance offers what in terms of deductible and bonus. The maximum deductible we could find was 1,000 euro a year, and the maximum cashback in the public regulated by the government is 600 euro a year. Those are numbers that will have people in the private health insurance smiling, because private health insurance is much more flexible when it comes to choosing the coverage, the deductible, and the cashback that you'd like to have. The highest deductible in the private health insurance is 5,000 euros a year. Now, is this a good idea to have? Probably not, and definitely not for an employee. The higher the deductible, the lower health insurance premiums, because you're sharing the risk with your health insurance company. Pretty obvious, right? But since health insurance premiums are split 50-50 here in Germany with your employer anyway, you will only benefit 50 cents out of every euro you'll save in health insurance premiums. The deductible has to be paid entirely by you. So congrats to your employer if you have a low monthly premium and have to pay thousands of euros out of your own pocket when hits the fan. For a self-employed person, that is different, of course. I myself have a 3,000 euro deductible, and that's why I have a very low monthly premium of only a little over 300 euros for a 5-star private health insurance. 300 euro monthly costs, of which I have to pay 150 euros only, because the other 50% is paid by PerFinEx GmbH. And my annual cashback is usually around 900 euros. 900 euro divided by 150 euros is 6. 6 months that I am basically insured for free every single year. Yes, realistically speaking, I pay for health insurance only 6 months every year. Even with my medical bills that are usually around 200 euros a year for twice dental cleaning, I pay these 200 euro happily myself and enjoy my 900 euro cashback for a 700 euro profit. As the employees among our clients usually have a much lower deductible than myself, they have a higher monthly premium and therefore also a way higher cashback than I have. Are you interested to know what your cashback in the private health insurance can be? Then book a free meeting with us on our website perfinex.de and let's find out together how you can lower your health insurance costs here in Germany.